Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn telling time to 5 minutes together, step by step. A clock has two hands. The short hand shows the hour. The long hand shows the minutes. Together they tell us the time of day. The minute hand counts by fives. Each big number is 5 more minutes. Starting at the top, we count 5, 10, 15, 20, all the way around. First, read the short hour hand. Then skip count the minutes with the long hand. Say the hour, then the minutes. That is the whole time. The hour hand is near 3, so the hour is 3. The minute hand points to the 4. Count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20. The time is 3:20. So the short hand gives the hour, and the long hand gives the minutes. Skip count by fives for the minutes. Say the hour, then the minutes, and you can tell time to 5 minutes. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.